We're in the thick of hail season, right? We're in Colorado. We all know that, what June is like. And we've already seen some major hail damage to roofs and homes and, you know, all that stuff across our state.
We definitely have. But don't worry, we know a team that can help you. They were just named 2024 Top 10 Roofer by Forbes, which is a great thing. We love celebrating that. It's 303 Roofer. They've been a Colorado company since 2009. They also have a 5-star Google review rating and an A+ rating with the BBB.
Yeah, so in today's sponsored segment, you guys know him, Chris Kane. He's in the GDC house today, owner of 303 Roofer. Welcome back, my friend.
Chris.
Thanks for having me.
Congrats on that frameable
awesome.
achievement. My goodness.
Yes, we're very excited about it. It's always nice to be recognized for hard work.
Yes.
And good work, too.
And you have a great reputation in our area. Let's talk about 303 Roofer, who you guys are.
Yeah, so we've been around since 2009. I've been in Colorado since 1986. I came out here to go to the University of Denver and stayed out ever since. I love the state of Colorado. We're not going anywhere. And you know, really, we're here to help you, and we're here to educate you, and we're here to inform you. I think that our message is really getting across because there's so many homeowners now that instead of me telling them, you know what, why don't we wait until, you know, hail season's over before putting on a new roof right now and then potentially getting another hailstorm and having to do it again within a few months. Maybe wait, but they're saying, you know, hey, do you think I should wait? So I mean, they're hearing it, and they're not being as you know, so reactive and thinking that it's such an emergency. So I think that's really good, you know, that they are taking their time and they're doing their due diligence and they're going through the process and they're not just rushing and signing contracts.
Yeah.
Well, I think that's what separates you, right? I mean, you know, every season's a little bit different here in Colorado, right? Last year was wet and hail. It hailed most of June.
Yes.
Now it's hot and dry this June. So you kind of have that perspective that you bring to the table, whereas a lot of companies that just rush into town make you think you got to do it right now.
That's
Those
probably why you
companies
got on Forbes.
can be a problem.
Yeah.
Well, no, that is true, and then that is, you know, one of the main things that homeowners should look out for, right? Because there's probably not people knocking on their door now. There still may be, but typically it's like within a few days, maybe up to a week after the storm comes, they're knocking on your door, wanting you to sign a contract. Right? Exactly. And typically they're people coming in from out of town. So you don't know, they're probably not going to be around if you ever need to have them do any warranty work down the road. You know, it's just really important. You know, if someone knocks on your door, you know, you can talk to them, you can get some information. They might be a great company, who knows? But do your due diligence, find out. Just don't sign something right away, and never sign anything that you haven't read, because they'll try and put some paper in front of you, say, we just need your permission to get on the roof. Next thing you know, you're signing a contract.
An iPad, they'll be like, here, just sign right here.
Exactly.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, quick and easy, here you go.
And it's hard to read that stuff.
I know
So
it is.
just make sure, you know, give me a printed copy, let me read it, let me take my time. Just don't sign anything right away, and never pay anything up front. That's the one thing we want to really push. Never pay anything up front. Good companies, they have credit with suppliers. They can you know, take on that expense of your roof. They can wait until you're happy, the roof is done, the permit's been finalized out by the city or the county. You've gone through the process, and again, you're happy as the homeowner, and at that point, okay, you know, then you can pay the bill. But don't take anything up front, or don't pay anything up front.
Now, earlier you talked about warranties, right? A little bit. Let's touch on that again. Warranties and upgrades. What does that look like when you go to 303 Roofer?
Yeah, so we offer 5-year warranties. Excuse me. Our manufacturers have basically they call it a limited lifetime warranty, but it's basically a 50-year warranty that gets prorated after 10 years. But for the first 10 years, if anything were to be defective with your shingles, they pay for the labor and material to put on a new roof. Rarely do you see that happen, but it can happen. And I've never seen it, you know, personally seen it happen after 10 years. So if something happens, you're going to know about it, you know, relatively quickly. You know, I always recommend, and we do it, offer a shingle upgrade. So we upgrade the shingles to a Class 4 impact-resistant shingle. They're going to hold up better against hail. And you're also going to get a discount from insurance, so you get something back. And the discounts vary, but it's still a discount. So you're saving money by putting the shingle on, and if you're not having to pay any extra for it, I recommend doing that. So if you're not going to work with us, where we'll do it for you because of the segment and what we're doing here, ask your roofer that we want it. You know, I'd almost demand it.
Right. Okay.
Thanks, Chris. We always appreciate you coming in and talking about all this. And you give so much information that's so valuable, you know, because we have a lot of companies that we hear, and it's always great to hear your perspective on it. So
thanks, Chris.
We're here to help.
Tried and true right here in the Great Day Colorado studio. More information right here. We want to remind you that 303 Roofer was named as a 2024 Top 10 Roofer Roofer by Forbes. That's crazy. A 5-star Google review rating and an A+ rating with the BBB.
Yeah, 303 Roofer is offering a great deal for GDC viewers, seniors and military members alike. You can get $500 off any full roof replacement. And remember, they always offer free roof inspections and estimates with no pressure. And you can get a shingle upgrade, like Chris was saying, at no extra cost. You can give them a call now, 303-390-1382, or visit them online at 303roofer.com. Thanks again to 303 Roofer for sponsoring this segment.